channel messages for the 24th of October. Pisces, I'm coming to you in a different setting because I have new cards and I want you to see them. Also, I look like someone's grandma, so we're just going to do it faceless, okay? Anyways, Pisces. I had a channel message for you, Pisces. Pisces, the channel message I got was, me getting free will, Pisces. No, me getting Pisces, free will can be looked at this way for simplicity, right? Simplicity we use to survive. Many find it difficult because them ignorant to life. Simplicity we use to survive. Do what you're doing properly, that's the way through life. Simplicity we use to survive, okay? Me getting free will can be a push or a pull. That is what free will is, Pisces. It is a push or a pull. No, we can push and pull in two different directions. You can pull somebody down lower than you, or you also can pull someone up. If you're on top of a hill, you can pull them up. Same for pushing. When you're playing tug of war, both sides pull. You pull to win. But also, Pisces, life can be taken as a push. You can push somebody off a cliff. You can also push them over a wall. So I'm getting, that is what free will is, Pisces. It's the ability to know that you can push or pull. But what direction are you pushing and pulling in? Are you pushing someone off to their death? Or are you pushing them in the right direction? Are you pulling them down where you are because you made fucked up choices in life, Pisces? Are you pulling them from a pit where you once were and you're like, I would not wish this on my mother-in-law? Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Pisces. Let's go. I have new decks. And I'm so fucking I'm excited. Let me tell you, 3 things in life get me excited. Sex, cannabis, and tarot. Let me tell you that. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Pisces. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, Pisces. The first card out is the Nine of Swords. Pisces, the Nine of Swords usually talks about fear, insomnia, you can't sleep. I'm getting something is haunting you. Maybe it's a decision that you made. I'm getting you did something you probably didn't think it would ride your conscience as much as it rid it. But I'm getting no, you can't sleep. I'm getting you keep playing something over and over and over again in your head, Pisces. Maybe you agreed to trick somebody. I'm getting it was your, yeah, I'm getting you agreed to trick somebody. It's haunting you. Maybe it's haunting you because the person knows that you agreed. Alright? We have a Two of Swords, yeah. I'm getting some people came to you and asked you, hey, can you do something? And you were like, I'm getting you never thought about it. Maybe you hated somebody. You were like, yeah, fuck that bitch. Because I'm getting you made a decision. Nine of Swords, Two of Swords, mental. You had to betray somebody. I'm getting you take the bait. I'm getting, no, you don't know what to do. No, you can't sleep. I see you crying in bed. I'm getting like you're crying, like you're saying, oh my God, this pain, please make this pain go away. I'm getting, maybe you thought you could betray somebody, but they would still come along with you. I'm getting, you didn't know that part of betraying somebody, obviously, means that them, if them find out, they're not going to want to fuck with you anymore. But I'm getting, you were supposed to trick somebody for a while. I'm getting, you never know that when you trick them, they're gonna leave your life. I don't know what this is. Yeah, literally, the Three of Swords. You trick them, Pisces. Or somebody trick you. And I'm not sure what this person was thinking. Either them saying you're not gonna find out, or if you do find out, I'm getting you would never find out. You found out. I'm getting someone's rid with guilt. The Three of Swords. Maybe if you found out about a second, somebody was juggling you back and forth. Maybe somebody was talking to you and talking to somebody else that you know about you. We also had the Four of Swords, yeah. I'm getting you kind of went silent. we have the 4 of Swords, Pisces, the 3 of Swords, the 2 of, so we have 2, 3, 4. We have 2, 3, 4. You were asked to lie, you made a decision to lie, and now we have the 4. No, because you're caught in your lie or someone's caught in their lie, you went quiet. We have a 9 of Swords, yeah. All Swords, Pisces, we don't have no water. I'm getting you tricked somebody. You probably hated them. A lot. Let's continue to use the original tarot, which is my pink deck. Oh my god, I just love it. Love the cards, love it, love it. It is a pink deck. Love it, love the illustration. Let's go, let's clarify, Pisces. And for those of you who are asking, it is the pink deck for beginners, okay? These are the decks I'm using today. I am so excited. I feel like I got fresh lingerie. That's how I feel. I feel like fresh lingerie. Hey! So let me ask you a question. Can you imagine this bitch is gonna bring me a birthday gift on my birthday? What kind of stupid ass shit is this? Excuse me. So you're just gonna give me a birthday gift on my birthday when I told you it was my birthday because it's my birthday and you're showing up in my house on my birthday to give me a birthday gift? Bitch, what kind of disrespectful ass hoe is this? What the fuck is this? Let's go. I see the 4 of Swords clarified by the, I'm sorry, I should have went that way. The 9 of Swords clarified by the 10 of Wands. Yeah, I'm getting a lot, I'm getting lies are catching up, Pisces. I'm getting the lies is overflowing into your nap time. I'm getting you can't sleep, maybe you can't eat. I'm getting Pisces, there's something about starvation that you were involved in. I'm hearing, well, if everybody was on board, it doesn't make it wrong. Everybody can't be wrong. I'm getting you saying everybody know what right and wrong is. If everybody's agreed to doing something heinous to somebody, one person must be wrong if 1,000 people is doing heinous shit. So is majority telling the truth? That's like you're saying because majority agree, majority is the truth. Yeah, but majority agreed with slavery. You know? So yeah. The 2 of Swords is clarified by the 8 of Swords. Yeah, Pisces. This could be facing time. I'm getting like a charge. You might even do prison time for whatever this is, Pisces. Because I'm getting know somebody won't talk to you. Or know somebody knows for a fact that you double-crossed them. It was you. I'm getting you stuck. Because again, me feel like maybe in the past or me getting you were used to betraying somebody. Usually you betray them, you talk to them, you betray them, you talk to them. Me getting this time, them won't. Me getting somebody not letting it go. Three of Swords clarified by the 9 of Wands. Pisces, you. Brody, they know it's you. They know it's you, Pisces. They know it's you. I'm getting, you never thought somebody would have figured it out, or you never thought somebody would know how much you hate them, or you never thought somebody would figure out how much. Man, I feel like you've been sabotaging someone's life for a long time, Pisces. That's like you sabotage somebody, career them whole life. And after 35 years, them got on. And now the fans are talking about, yeah, this person used to stop them. And you're saying to yourself, them end up make it anyways. So now them famous knowing that I was the one to to sabotage them whole fucking career for the last 30 years. I know they made it. They made it. One more. The Four of Swords clarified by the Page of Wands. Yeah, beginning. Someone's an artist. Them is a young prodigy. Someone's on them way. Yeah, yep. So I'm getting it was your job to trick somebody, slow somebody down, push them off a cliff. But I'm getting, I guess, Pisces is either you or somebody else decide for regroup. Take some time alone and meditate. People hurting and betraying you have nothing to do with your talent. Yes, your talent attracts jealousy, but the emotional aspect is what knocks you off your game for you to not be able to produce. I'm getting it's just a heartbreak. Your talent is still there. It's just a heartbreak. You still can rest. I'm getting it was your job to trick somebody. I'm also getting something about your eyes, your vision, your sight, or something about spiritual gifts. Let's get some of these cards and we'll leave it here, Pisces. Woo! Wait. We have rebirth. Yeah. And remember, when you are born, you're born not knowing anybody. You are born out of your mom alone. This is a rebirth. And the rebirth can mean, Pisces, yeah, even your family, even your friends, even people who you grew up with, they will say, I got cut off, Pisces. So yeah, Pisces, this is your rebirth. This is, wait, this is, it's, what the fuck? It's a, yeah, there we go, Pisces. That's your rebirth, okay? Let's get some more. We have the widow. So I'm not sure if you are a widow, Pisces, if your husband died. I don't, you call it spinster? No? I'm not sure what you call when the wife of the male dies. But I'm getting widow. So you might, I don't know, I feel like somebody orchestrated your death. Or something about you dying after you got married. Maybe all of these people were supposed to collect life insurance on you. Because we have the rebirth and the widow. We have communion. And I know the communion is drinking the blood and the body of Jesus. So tell me, Pisces, where somebody was supposed to drink and eat you as a communion around people? Because I'm getting somebody, Pisces, me getting you was supposed to trick somebody. The communion, isn't that when everybody drink the blood of Christ and eat the body of Christ? When you get that white, dissolvable bread on your tongue and you drink, yeah, you drink from the blood of Christ. Did somebody agree for sell your meat and your blood to a group, a cult, the communion, or something about a church? It's not a church, it's a cult. I'm seeing Baphomet. I'm seeing Baphomet. One more. Yeah, remembrance. Yeah, you know, remember how they sacrificed Jesus and nobody stood up for him? You remember that? You remember how even when people thought that Jesus was innocent, everybody was cowards? That's why I'm going to tell Satan, please do not send me a God-fearing man. Because if you fear God, you'll fear Satan. And believe me, 98% of everybody is evil. You should fear Satan more than you fear God. Because God will forgive you. You only get one try with Satan. Remembrance. Pisces, we have Judgment. I'm getting those who have tricked you will be judged. And you will see that even people who you share the same blood with can still, even people who you share the same blood with, Pisces, them can still despise your blood. I'm going to leave it here until next time, Pisces. Wait, I want to get some of these. One, just one. Gabriel. I'm going to leave it here until next time, Pisces. Bye.